yeah, that's gonna happen.
Straight up weak.
So bad.
Straight up weak.
Oh, I can feel it coming up my esophagus. Now you got the funk stuck in my head. This mania. Let's see it grow.
Mr. Mania.
Like a rock, oh. Now you're really offended. From a master, master. I feel like I could fight someone with this. Come here, let me punch you with my boot.
Hey, hold it. There we go. Something's wrong with it.
Good?
Oh, good.
Yeah, give that one a patchwork. I don't want
Whack
weird.
it.
Oh. Inside.
What colors do you guys like?
What? Of what?
Red or blue?
I guess I'll take a red.
Okay.
Then I'll just be matching. Is this a video? Of course it's a video. Do you need help?
No, I got it.
Alright, well I'll just watch you struggle then.
Do it. You won't.
I'm
No,
watching
you probably
you struggle.
will. You'll probably watch me.
Oh man, it's all wet. Gross.
You're gonna get wet doing this, for sure.
I haven't kayaked in a really long time.
You forgot that it's wet?
I mean, I know it's kind of wet. I didn't anticipate, like, tsunami wet or anything.
Well, it's not as wet as a tsunami.
We're talking pretty fast. Oh, man. I can't even scratch my back with this stupid life preserver.
You gonna leave your shoes here?
No, I'm taking my shoes.
Might get wet.
That's a risk I'm willing to take.
They will get wet.
It's a risk I'm willing to take. I don't go barefoot for anybody. Can I go in the shallow side?
Oh, no, that's fine.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Left. Once you're in here, it's fine.
Yeah, but then I can't get out once I'm in either.
But you just want to stay on the shallow side?
I already have to pee.
Why do you have to pee so much?
Come on.
Alright, I guess I'll leave my phone here.